Pilates and friends. Transform your fitness journey anytime, anywhere. Hello and good day, our lovely viewers. Welcome back to our Jewels Moment, Wellness Warriors Vibrant Balance, and Astute Inspire channels. Are you prepared to change the way you work out? You're at the correct spot, however. We are pleased to provide Pilates and Friends as your premier online Pilates training resource. Train with the top German-speaking professionals at any time and anywhere. Our extensive library of more than 1,400 Pilates videos accommodates all skill levels, including trainers. Our goal at Pilates and Friends is to make exercise more approachable. Individual training units allow you to customize your exercise to fit into your daily schedule. Our knowledgeable instructors walk you through a range of movies, covering everything from mat training to using big and tiny equipment. We also provide Pilates teachers with specific courses and sources of inspiration. Pilates is a way of life, not merely an exercise regimen. It's a full-body workout that is regulated and gradual and helps with stress management, deep muscle strengthening, posture, and back pain relief. Our training videos are tailored to meet your specific requirements, whether you want a mild session or something more strenuous. What's the finest thing then? They are available to you wherever and at any time. Are you prepared to choose a way of life that transforms more than just you? Click the link in our description or locate it in the pinned comment below to begin your path of transformation right now. To learn more about Pilates and Friends, and if today's video brought value to your day, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned for our latest insights on wealth, health, and the vibrant world of wellness. Your trust and support mean everything to us. Cheers to your road to a better, healthier version of yourself. Till we meet again, enjoy the little things in life, take care of yourself, and be well.